that?
Shaniqua.
And I was start laughing. He said, everybody has friends. And I said, oh,
Oh.
hey, Pastor Ray. I had twisted.
Now, I gotta ask you a question.
I got twisted.
That's Malachi.
Yeah, we got it.
What you got?
Don't tell I got started.
Yeah, I told you it all broke.
It's broke?
No, it ain't broke.
Where are you going?
Back there.
Well, go that way. Then stop crawling. Boy, you're going to bump your head. See? See how you bumped your head?
I didn't bump my head.
I know. Well, you older than Monte.